Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your sink sparkle and shine. Welcome to the first cleaning / motivation video of 2019. I'm super excited to add these kinds of videos into my channel throughout 2019. As you saw in our previous video, we were staying out at my parents' cabin for New Year's Eve and it was time to clean up. And so I wanted to do a deep clean on the sink just to make it sparkle and shine before we left. And my mom had this Barkeeper's Friend cleaner and polish. And I had never used this personally, so I wanted to give it a try, and I thought that I would film it for you guys so that if you were looking for a good sink cleaner for the new year, you could try this out if it worked. And it did work, as you saw at the very beginning of this video. The beautiful clean, white, sparkly sink. And we were here for a couple of days with about 15 people, so there was lots of dirty dishes going into the sink. And I just sprinkled it on and gave it a good scrub. I would say I only had to scrub for about 60 to 90 seconds. And then once I was done scrubbing everything, I just turned on hot water as hot as it could be, and I did a good rinse on the sink. And then I just took a clean dish towel and I wiped down everything just to make it all sparkly and clean. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Come find me over on Instagram at ALASKAN Mama Vlogger, and I'll see you in my next video.